Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Descent MK1 Sapphire, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to open the Garmin Connect application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. Once the application opens, tap on More icon right here, find the Garmin devices, select it, then select the Descent MK1 from the list of devices, and here on this page find the More Options icon in the top right corner, tap on Remove Device, and tap on Remove. Now we can close the app, open the settings on our iPhone, then tap on Bluetooth, and here you should see the Descent MK1 on the list of my devices. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on Forget Device, and tap on Forget Device to remove it. And that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.